Hello everyone, it's Chris, and how are you today? Today we are going to show you something new. Have a smile on the air of autumn or fall, and do know it's already deep fall now, and you may feel a little bit cool, and it's time to show. It's the beginning of season of holidays, right? And today I'm going to show you something new stuff. Since we're talking about fall, the autumn, and what comes to your mind when you're talking about fall? Firstly, you may think about the leaves, like maple leaves. Maple leaves, of course, is the first sign you see in the fall season. And so we use this idea to develop a series of fallen maple leaves design this year for 2020. And you can see we shrink the size of maple leaves and make it smaller, but with some glitters to describe the falling status of these leaves. But when you're talking about fall, what comes to next in your mind? Of course, it's a season of harvest. When you're talking about harvest, firstly, the flower you may see mostly will be sunflowers. And this year, we expect, except for these blossom sunflowers, we also add some buds here to point out the beginning of fall. Because when you see the buds, and we see the blossom flowers, what comes to next? Of course, you will see the nuts in the end. And when we talking about harvest, the harvest will be most. And when we're talking about harvest season, the most obvious icon, of course, is pumpkin. When you see a pumpkin, that means already the beginning of holiday season. And this year, we design a brand new harvest season ribbon for you, like this one. We use trucks and pumpkin on trucks. Use this design to point out the meaning of harvest season. It's a great harvest season because you will see a lot of pumpkin is loaded on the trucks, and we use this icon, pumpkin, this icon with cars. A cars of pumpkin means the greatest harvest season, and hope you will have a great harvest season this next year. So when you select some fall season or holiday season of ribbon, try out something new like this. Thank you.
Beep.